I believe in you. Hello everyone, my name is Samson. I am Malagasy, come from Madagascar. I am a student while also founding the English Association of the Region Sava, which connected all English language learning program in my region. My greatest joy was visiting communities in my countryside of Madagascar and also sponsoring and performing talent show when all English lovers are gathering just for encourage them to learn English. I am now so grateful to let you know that I've been accepted to join up with people this coming July musical performance program. It's not only my passion and my dream, but also an amazing opportunity for me to travel somewhere around the world outside of my country, to be volunteering and exposing to many cultures and sharing my talent as a singer and songwriter and learning along the way. I'd love to make even more different in this world. Up with people combines everything I love. It is a big challenge for me to find money more than 17,000 US dollars in very short moment. Please, if you can, consider making a donation for me to help me. I hope to get the support from you to make my dreams come reality. Thank you very much.